Hi. In this video, I will discuss how to solve GMAT math questions. There are 10 questions in this video. Each question is shown first, and next, the solution to the question will be discussed. You can pause, rewind, or forward to reading the question or answer at any time. Question 1. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? X and Y are integers less than 60, such that X is equal to the sum of the squares of two distinct prime numbers, and Y is a multiple of 17. The square of prime number, less than 60, can be 2 squared equal to 4, 3 squared equal to 9, 5 squared equal to 25, 7 squared equal to 49. The sum of the squares of two distinct prime numbers, less than 60, can be 13, 29, 34, 53, and 54. The multiple of 17, less than 60, can be 17, 34, 51. The answer is C. Question 2. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? If x equals 7, 3xy minus xy over y equals 2x equal to 14. The answer is B. Question 3. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? A bar over a digit in a decimal indicates an infinitely repeating decimal. After calculation, it is 220. The answer is D. Question 4. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? For statement 1 alone, there are 3 integers between minus 1.5 and 1.5. They are minus 1, 0, and 1. Only 0 is even. So statement 1 does provide sufficient information to answer the question. Statement 2 alone is not sufficient. It tells us only that y is not prime. Thus, statement 1 alone is sufficient, but statement 2 alone is not sufficient. The answer is the A. Question 5. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? Draw a solid rectangle with side lengths of the AB equal to 12, and BC equal to 4. The greatest straight line distance between any two vertices in a solid rectangle is the AD equal to 13. Then, we have the AC squared equals 160. The AD squared equals 169, equal to 160, plus CD squared. CD equals 3. The surface area of a solid rectangle is 192. The answer is E. Question 6. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? Set the age of James now as X, and the age of Justin now as Y. 5 years ago, James was twice as old as Justin. X minus 5 equals 2 times Y minus 5 equal to 2Y minus 10. If in 4 years, James will be 1.5 times as old as Justin. X plus 4 equals 1.5 times Y plus 4 equal to 1.5Y plus 6. Subtracting the two equations, we have y equal to 14. X equals 23. The answer is B. Question 7. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? For statement 1 alone, x, y are integers. X, y can be 4, -1, or 3, 0, or 2, 1, or 1, 2, or 0, 3, or -1, 4, and so on. Infinite sets. X times y can have infinite possibilities of values. Thus, statement 1 alone is not sufficient. For statement 2 alone, x, y are positive. X, y can be 2, 1, or 1, 2, or 0.1, 2.9, or 2.9, 0.1, and so on. Infinite sets. X times y can have infinite possibilities of values. Thus, statement 2 alone is not sufficient. For both statements 1 and 2, x and y are integers. X and y are positive. Then, xy can be 2, 1, or 1, 2. Thus, x times y equals 2. Therefore, both statements together are sufficient, but neither statement alone is sufficient. The answer is C. Question 8. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? Statement 1 provides the number of people who paid deposits, which may seem sufficient, but the question allows for the possibility that a person may pay a deposit and yet not attend. So statement 1 is insufficient. Write down B, C, E. Statement 2 provides the percentage of people who attended after paying a deposit, but it does not indicate the number of people who paid a deposit. So statement 2 is insufficient. Eliminate B. The statements 1 and 2 together indicate that 65% of the 80 people who paid deposits attend, which allows the question to be answered. The answer is C. Question 9. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? If n is a positive integer, when n is an even number, the A is odd, B is odd, C is even, D is even, and E is odd. When n is an odd number, the A is even, B is even, C is even, D is odd, and E is even. Only C must be even. The answer is C. Question 10. Which of the following answers is correct? A, B, C, D, or E? We can put 1 for the work, since Arthur and Ben each complete one job. So, Arthur's rate is 1/3 per hour, and Ben's rate is 1/12 per hour. When Arthur and Ben work together, the rate is 1/3 plus 1/12 equal to 5/12 per hour. Then, it will take Arthur and Ben working together 12/5 hours. The answer is B. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click thumb up button, share, and subscribe icon. Thanks.